Hello viewers, welcome to Code for Any. Online maintenance service apps inside today we need to create here the account verify message screens we need to develop here. Now we need to create here the new screens folders inside login folders inside we need to create here the new files and to give this here the verify message screen dot dots like this creates now to create here the stateful widgets and to give this here the name verify message screen and now need to import here the material dependency and now need to create here the scaffold. Then after we need to creating here the body for these scaffolds and to write down here the stack view inside we need to create here the childs like this sets and set here the alignments as a center, so we need to set here the stack alignment center. And then after we need to give this here the background image we need to set here. First of all we need to setting here the image sets and to set this here the OTP BG. Now need to copy this here and now need to give this here the width and height for the screen. So need to set here the double dot max widths and double dot it has give this here the double max width and now need to set this here the box it as I need to set here the box fit width we need to setting here so like this configures and now we need to save here. After the verify screens we need to write down here the on recent buttons we need to click events we need to write down here for the testing purpose. Push extension methods we need to call this here the const verify message screen and we need to set here semicolons. Now need to run first of all the here simulators and now need to write down here the column create here childs and to give this here the some height squares. Now need to set here the pic size. Heights need to give this here the 18. Also same heights need to give this here the bottom. Here's now need to develop here the top image and to set here the cross axis alignment. We need to set here the center. Now we need to write down here the button first of all. Create here the round buttons. Now need to go inside the mobile verifications and we need to copy this here the next buttons with this space and like this space here. So now need to import here the color extensions. Also again so need to set this here the space and const. Now need to save and to run these apps inside the simulator. Now I am waiting for the run these apps inside the simulators and to test here. Building inside the Xcode for this app here. Now Xcode build done and now need to see inside the simulator this applications here. Click on here the signups, click on submits and to open this here the mobile verification screen. And then after need to click on here the next events need to write down here. So need to forget so need to wrong button inside to put this code. Cut here and I want to write down the one press event on tab. Sorry for that. Now need to save here. Now need to click here on next and opening like this here the UI. And first of all, now need to set this here the image. Go inside here and to write down here the image pickers and also need to show here the UI. Write down here the image assets and to give this here the assets, and we need to set here to width, double width, and to multiply by 0.7 and import this here the extensions context dot import this package. And now we need to go here and to write down here the login OTP, copy logo, relative path, and to paste this here and to write down here the bit as set here box bit width we need to setting here and to configures. Now need to save here and look like this. So here the our designs. Now need to write down here the successfully verify your accounts message need to showing here. Now need to go here and to set here const value and to fix this here the lining issue. Now set here text property and to write down here the message. Your account slash and spins new lines has been verified, and to write down here the successfully, and we need to show this here the after verify slash ends need to write down here. And now need to set here the styles as a text styles, create here the colors, primary text colors we need to set here. Also need to set here the font size we need to 16 and font weight set here the 500s like this configures and to save this here. And also need to given this here the alignments we need to write down here the text alignments centers. Now need to save this here and look like this here similar to designs need to showing here to xd files and to creating here. And this is the account has been verified successfully message we need to show here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.